And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now we have one P Bandai item here, which is Kamen Rider O's Figurized Standard Tajador Combo. And yes, again, I think it started with Kamen Rider Ghost, wherein they have added the Bandai Namco logo in all of the boxes. So yes, this is a figurized standard, a P-Bandai one, and this is Kamen Rider O's Tajador combo. As we can see in the box art here, we see Kamen Rider O's Tajador combo doing his prominence drop. And yes, speaking of Tajador, man, that 10th year anniversary stings. It's good, but it stings. You know what happened? AG, why? Okay, so first up on the side, we have here the Kamen Rider O's and Tajador combo, front and back. Some gimmicks that we can see that we can do with the kit. Here, he has this, what you call that, the Taja spinner, wherein you can open and close it. You need to swap some parts for performing or replicating the prominence drop. And yes, here we can see him with his wings. And off to the other side, yep, this is information of Tajador combo and the O's show. And yep, some other information about the kit. So, let's open it up. So first off, we are greeted with one bag with two gold screws. As you can see, this I think is for when you change him into replicate the prominence drop. And again, yes, this is the one of the marvels of the figurized standard O's line, wherein the crest, the O's crest is as you can see here, the details is already printed out and colored, so no need to paint or anything. It's already there. So it's good engineering from Bandai here. Yep. And another bag, we have all black and yes, metallic red. Another bag, one all silver and one all black. One more bag of metallic red and that gold color. And one bag with most of the parts for O's. And hey, ooh, if I remember correctly, or I'm not really even sure if this is it, I know, I think it's a different sprue or runner. Yeah. And all black. And lastly, we have one bag where we have one screw just for the wings, and of course a standard stand and stickers, which we will not use because I like to paint that, and of course the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at each runner. First off, we have the A runner here, which is already divided into 3 different packets. Wherein, yes, this forms the O's medallion, or the O's medal in his chest area, where as you can see, the metallic red parts is already included in the printing of this sprue. So great engineering from here, So this forms the O's medallion in the middle with the Tajador combo. So that's the A there. We have A1, 2, and 3. Cut the medals 1, 2, and 3, Then we have the runner B, wherein we have some gray parts here, some black parts, some for the head. This I think is for the body. The Taja spinner is here. Some parts of the head. The 3 medals is here. Some for the neck. So that's the B. We have the C, which is all black, and most of this is parts for the limbs. And we have a D1, which is the metallic red for the red parts of those. That also includes a D2, wherein a section of it is replicated. So, yep, D1 and D2. We also have E, two of it actually. Gold parts. Most of this is just for the golden parts on the armor, and yeah, as you can see, some props for some parts wherein if we want to replicate the prominence strap. So we have that E. We have an F1, all black, more parts for the body and some manipulators. There is also an F2, which again, a portion of it is replicated. Yep, this part here. So that's F. We have a G1, which is, yep, this is the belt, and as well as some parts of the driver and some cell medals here. And we have a G2. So, yep, this is the gold rims for the chest symbol, and we have the H here, which is a massive sprue here, which is consistently mainly the wings of OOO's Tajador combo. And yes, we have the standard stand here, and of course, yep, the stickers, which again I have to tell I may not use. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this P Bandai item on the figurized standard Kamen Rider OOO's Tajador combo. This is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, and viewing other videos and sharing them. And until next time, see you and thank you.